Hello again viewers, welcome back again to this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix that annoying squeaky brake pedal. So now we are going to check the brake pedal assembly. And now you want to grease the moving parts on the brake pedal assembly connected to the brake master cylinder. By greasing the moving parts, we are eliminating the rubbing of metal to metal parts that could lead to the squeaky brake pedal. Once we have done that and the squeak still persists, now we can look at the brake light switch like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you find this video useful, and next time you find your brake pedal squeaks, make sure to follow these steps. You all know what to do by now. I will see you again on the next one. Peace.